in worksheet 3.6, we will do the questions related to the conversion of the equations in the form of linear. Look at the first part. If you will observe these two equations, these are not in the form of linear equation, but still we can convert or we can reduce them in the linear form. Let's see how can we do it. हम इसे we can convert it. So observe, in both the equations x and y variable is in the denominator. ठीक है, हमें किसी तरह से ऐसे लीनियर इक्वेशन में फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है सो दैट द वेरिएबल विल कम इन द न्यूमरेटर. सो द प्रोसीजर विच यू हैव टू टेक द स्टेप्स, you will take let 1 upon x as u, assume कर लीजिए, and 1 upon y as v. You can take any other alphabet also. You can take it a and b also. आपने क्या किया, 1 upon x को 1 upon x and 1 upon y, you have assumed it as u and v in both the equations. So what do you, how will you write it? So 1 upon x की जगह u लिखेंगे, so it will become u upon 2 plus v upon 3 equal to, ये बन जाएगा. And what about the second equation? Second equation will become u upon 3 plus v upon 2 equal 13 by 6. Isn't it? अब अगर आप observe करें, the variable is r on the upper side, r on the upper side. Okay, so this is in the form of a linear equation, but still we can convert them in proper linear form. So how can you convert it? By taking the LCM. So it will be 3u plus 2v equal, by doing the cross multiplication you will get 12, and second equation 2u plus 3v equal 13 by 6. Now how will you convert it properly? इसको हम क्या करेंगे, for second equation cross multiply it. You will get 12u plus 18v equal 13. So this is the first equation and this is second equation. अब आपकी ये दोनों equations proper linear form में आ गई. And how will you solve them? You can use any method, whatever the method we have taken it in previous exercise, you can use any method to solve these equations. So I will take the easiest method by elimination method. Equation 1 and 2 observe करिए इसको, देखो यहाँ पे 12 है and here it is 3. So what we will do, we will multiply equation 2 equation 1 with 4 on both sides. So next step, multiply equation 1 by 4 on both sides. So you will get, by multiplying it with the 4 on both sides, so 12u plus 8v equal 48. Equation 3, and write the equation 2 as it is. 18v equal 13. This is equation 2. Okay, हमने equation 1 को convert किया so that one of the coefficient will become same. So next step क्या है? Change their sign. Change their sign. Now cancel it. Minus 10v equal 5 and 35. 35 you will get it. So what should be v equal? V equal minus 35 upon 10. This will be v. अब आप कैसे, how will you find out the u value now? क्या करेंगे, इस v value को you can substitute in either of the equation to get the value of u. So we will put v equal minus 35 by 10 in equation 1. So in equation 1 we will put it. So it will be 3u plus 2. Instead of v, we will put its value equal 12. Cancel कीजिए. So 3u minus 7 equal 12. So 3u equal, shift it, u की वैल्यू आ गई 19/3. दिस वैल्यू यू विल गेट इट. लेकिन क्वेश्चन में जो आपका लिखा है सॉल्व इट, फाइंड द वैल्यू, सॉल्व, तो सॉल्व में यहाँ पे वेरिएबल क्या है, x एंड y, और एंड यू आर गेटिंग द वेरिएबल वैल्यू ऑफ u एंड v. अभी हमें x और y भी वैल्यू निकालनी है. सो व्हाट शुड बी द नेक्स्ट स्टेप? जो आपने एज्यूम किया है देयर यू विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ u एंड v. Okay, so but 1 upon x equal u, so therefore 1 upon x will be 19/3. Okay, so यहाँ से आप x value you will find out, cross multiply 3/19, ये आ जाएगा. and 1 upon y equal v, so 1 upon y, therefore 1 upon y equal v minus 35/10. Now solve it. Y equal minus 10/35. So this will be the value of y. तो आप क्या करेंगे? If the variable is in the denominator, you can reduce it in the proper linear equation by assuming that. Assume करके then make the two linear equations. उन दोनों linear equations को solve कीजिए. Then you will get the value of these assumption variable. उन assumption को, उन variables को you will put it over here to get the actual variable values. Okay, now we will take second question. In second part, look at the variables. Again it is in the denominator. So what we will do? We will assume 1 upon root x as u and v, and then we will solve it. After solving it with this same method which we have taken it in first part, you will get these two values of u and v. लेकिन अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन जो हमारे वेरिएबल्स हैं, वेरिएबल्स आर x एंड y. सो व्हाट विल यू डू? आप ये वैल्यू जो हमने एज्यूम किया है देयर वी विल पुट इट. ओके, सो बट 1 upon root x equal u, therefore 1 upon root x, u value is 1/2. लेकिन हमें तो x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. सो व्हाट विल यू डू? x वैल्यू स्क्वायरिंग बोथ साइड्स. तो आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? 1 upon x equal 1 upon 4, isn't it? रूट x स्क्वायर करेंगे, सो इट विल बी 1 upon x. सॉल्व कीजिए, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, you will get x as 4. Similarly, you can do it for root y equal root y. 1 upon root y, we have taken it as v. Therefore, 1 upon root y equal, v value is 1/3. Again, to remove the square root sign, we will square both sides. Squaring both sides, we get 1 upon y equal 1 upon 9. Transfer the terms, you will get y as 9. So these are the two values of equation of question 2. Okay, now come to the next question. In third part, one variable is in the denominator and the other one is on the numerator itself. तो जो denominator है हम खाली उसे ही assume करेंगे. Okay, so we will assume let 1 upon x equal u. So what result you will get it? 4u plus 3y equal 14, and second equation will become 3u minus 4y equal 23। अब इन दो इक्वेशंस को सॉल्व करेंगे एंड देन यू विल पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ u जो हमने एज्यूम किया है टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ x। y वैल्यू वी विल गेट इट डायरेक्टली, बट द वैल्यू ऑफ x we will put it over here जो assume किया है and then we will go further. In fourth part x minus 1 and y minus 2 is in the denominator. So what we will do, let 1 upon x minus 1 equal u and 1 upon y minus 2 equal v. So same procedure you have to follow. 5u plus इस पूरे को हमने v माना है, so equal to, and 6u minus 3v equal 1. Now we will solve it with the same procedure to get it. In fifth part as well as in sixth part, these are little bit different with the previous parts. So let's go further. अब क्वेश्चन में अगर आप देखते हैं, in the question the variable is on the upper side as well as in the lower side. So what we will do, इसको हम अलग अलग लिख लेंगे, 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy equal 5, and same way we will write this one also separately. This upon xy, 7y upon xy equal 15. तो अब जो टर्म्स कैंसिल होती हैं कैंसिल कीजिए, the variable will be cancelled out, so it will become 7 upon y minus 2 upon x equal 5, and यहाँ से भी ये वेरिएबल कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 8 upon y plus 7 upon x equal 15. So how will you do further? अब क्या करेंगे? We will assume let 1 upon y and 1 upon x as u and v, and then we will proceed further. How to take this one? Sixth part. This is something nearly as same as the fifth part, but हमें कुछ एक step extra करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so what we have to do? हम पूरी equation को, both the equations, we will divide it with xy on both sides. हम पूरी equation को xy से divide कर देते हैं. xy 3y upon xy equals 6xy upon xy. Same thing over here, 2x upon xy plus 4y upon xy equal 5xy upon xy. We will divide. हम ये क्यों डिवाइड कर रहे हैं? So that we will get 1 as a constant term. ये xy लिखा है, हमें ये रिमूव करना है किसी तरह से. So ये रिमूव कैसे होगा? If you will divide it with xy. Now the same procedure, कैंसिल करेंगे, you will get 6 upon y plus 3 upon x equal xy, and xy will be cancelled out. Okay, and second equation, x will be cancelled out, so 2 upon y plus 4 upon x equal 5. Now the procedure is same as the previous parts. Now seventh question, seventh part में अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करें, इन द डिनोमिनेटर देयर आर 2 वेरिएबल्स रिटर्न अलोंग विद. ओके, तो हमने एज्यूम किया, सॉल्व किया, यू हैव गॉट द वैल्यू ऑफ u एंड v, लेकिन क्वेश्चन में जो वेरिएबल्स हैं वो x एंड y है. सो सेम प्रोसीजर, बट 1 upon x plus y equal u, so we will put 1 upon x plus y equal u value is 1 upon 5. Now solve it, x plus y equal 5, ये आ जाएगा आपके पास. Same thing for next, and 1 upon x minus y equal v, therefore 1 upon x minus y equal v value is 1. So solve it, x minus y equal 1. But according to the question हमें तो x और y के वेरिएबल्स निकालने हैं. अब क्या करेंगे? इन दो इक्वेशंस को क्या करोगे आप? इक्वेशन 3 एंड इक्वेशन 4. क्या करेंगे हम, since you have to find out the value of x and y, so what we will do, we will rewrite it. जैसे हमने पहले इक्वेशन सॉल्व की हैं, सेम प्रोसीजर we will follow. Cancel 2x equals 6, so x value as 3. Okay, now substitute this in either of the equation. Put x equal 3 in किसी भी एक इक्वेशन में, x plus y equal 5. So it will be 3 plus y equal 5. So y will be 5 minus 3, that is 2. Like this you have to do. Okay. So I think all these parts in which you can reduce the equations in a linear equation is clear to all of you. Different ways to convert it. Assume कीजिए जो भी आपका denominator में, accordingly you will assume it and then you will go for the equations to reduce it in the form of a linear equations. Okay, so try all these questions yourself also so that you will understand it quite well. Thank you and have a nice day.